Hi Baby Ada, good morning. Today is July 25, 2025. Papa Renren and Baby Ada are watching Baby Bus. And my message to Baby Ada, our barko in the future, pag mag 18 years old na tong batang to, ikaw na 18 years old na Ada na nakikinig sa akin ngayon, be a good girl because you are God-fearing, you're important, you're loved, you're beautiful, you're honest, you are talented, you are very, very beautiful. Ayan ang bait tapos you are very talino. Kasi today, alam mo yung mga chess piece. Pina-identify kita ng chess piece. Naglalaro ka ngayon. So, today, masyadong happy si Papa kasi mabait ka masyado ngayon, no? So, sana magpakabait ka pa rin sa akin pagdating ng 18 years old tapos 21 years old mo, ha? Tapos, dapat hindi ka kay Papa, ha? Magtubag-tubag. Tapos, be a good girl always, ha? I want you to have a better future in life in the future. Hi! Say hi to your 18 years old, 18 years old, Ada. Say hi, say hi. Say hi, just say. Ada, say hi to your 18 years old, Ada. Sige na. Say hi. Sana you are graduate or successful ka na dyan in the future. Sana you are very hi. Say hi to your future, Ada. Okay? My message sa'yo si Kuan, be strong daw during your life journey. Kasi love ka ni Papa. And don't be so spoiled, ha? Kasi spoiled ka na daan dito, Spoiled. Tapos love ya ka ni Papa. Okay? Love you. Love ka ni Mama at Papa Renren, ni Mama Cherry, Mama Chick Chick, and Papa Renren. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.